Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning in. My name's Royce, and today we're going to look at a quick hands-on that I had with the Blackmagic Pocket 6K. Wait, what? How did this even happen? Crazy story. I actually had a film submitted and was accepted into the Monmouth Film Festival in New Jersey, and it just so happens that Blackmagic had on display the new Pocket 6K in their little display area at the festival. Super dope. So of course I had to pick it up, turn it around, and shoot it from various angles, because of course, why not? And as you can see here, the design, layout, everything is pretty much exactly the same as the 4K camera, same software, all that good stuff. The big difference being the new EF mounts on this 6K model. As you can see here, the Zeiss lens on here and the Super 35 sensor inside. And here's a quick look at some of the important features in both models. So obviously, like I stated, Pocket 4K Micro Four Thirds mount, sensor, Pocket 6K, EF mount, Super 35 sensor. Pocket 4K, shoot up to 4K resolution at up to 60 frames per second. The Pocket 6K, 6K resolution at up to 50 frames per second. And what's nice is you can shoot up to 120 frames per second at 2.8K resolution, where on the 4K, you can only shoot at 120 frames per second in HD. Both can record in Blackmagic RAW and ProRes, and both have 13 stops of dynamic range. But I gotta point out that when it comes to the Pocket 6K, not all codecs are created equal. And what I mean by that is, for Blackmagic RAW, you can only shoot from 6K down to 2.8K resolution. And then for ProRes, you can only shoot at 4K down to HD resolution. So for whatever reason, if you're looking to shoot 4K in Blackmagic RAW, that doesn't look like it's possible at the moment. Now this could change with a simple software update, but right now that's what it looks like. And then I double checked on bnhphoto.com and it looks like that this is the case for now. The rep for Blackmagic was nice enough to let me scurry around outside for a second, so I just grabbed a couple shots, shot in 6K, and then shot some stuff in 2.8K at 120 frames. And that wraps up this quick hands-on video with the Blackmagic Pocket 6K. If you want to know a little bit more information on it, I'll leave some links down below where you can check that out. But yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Again, my name's Royce, and until next time, I'll catch y'all later.